Gusto ko na may cover na egg. Woo! Flip, flip, flip. Come on. Come on. Careful lang. Wish me luck. Hop. Come, 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 come. Everybody present. Call the others. Eating time. Okay, enjoy your food. And I think we are still early to go market. So, may I get the sunflower seeds? Let's go, guys. Pick. Anyway, it's just one stem, but plenty small flowers. Let's go. So, eto siya. Madaming flowers in one stem. Ayan siya, guys. Eto siya, guys. Ayan. So, nakat na siya. I will just uproot this one. Oh, wow. Mahirap. Oh. Ayan siya. Alisin ko yung soil kasi sayang. Ayan siya, guys. Ang daming flowers. So, eto siya, guys. Ayan. So, nakikita nyo, yun yung mga seeds niya. May covering siya. So, igaganon mo lang. Maaalis. Ganyan lang. Ayan. Nag-gloves ako kasi madami siyang mga parang matinik din siya. Ayan siya, guys. Oops. Another one. And last two. Eto, super liit niya. So, I will dry them for the meantime. Ayan sila. Ang cute. We are done marketing. It was just a quick marketing. We only need a little bit of groceries. Important thing is we have the fruits, papaya and apple. So, see you at home, guys. Okay, guys, we're home and it is just a kind of light marketing for today because by Friday within this week we will go Waipahu, I think. So I have here my cashew nuts for my snacks. And if we like to cheat, we have some chips. And then this one, it's good. We eat this with sandwich for lunches, something like that. And we found our favorite coffee, Filipino coffee. It's more cheaper than in the other stores. That's why, again, we bought 2 packs. And this is a hubby's favorite for snack. Ayan siya, guys. Okay, and then next is the reason why we also went today. It's Monday because they have our favorite plate lunch, the fish salmon miso. I know I showed this already in my video before, but it's our favorite, guys. So Monday, they sell this one. Ooh, like this. So 1 scoop of mashed potato with brown gravy, 1 scoop rice. This is the salmon miso and some steamed vegetables. So this is for our lunch. We bought, of course, 2 plates. They call it mixed plate in here. And then next, if you buy plate lunch, they will give you, where is the other one? They will give you 2 free sodas. And today I pick the diet soda. Then my favorite Simon, I just put the malunggay with this one. I have bean sprouts. I'm planning to make some vegetable lumpia. And again, for hubby, of course, ice cream. But this one is good. Pralines and cream. What else? They give us forks for the lunch. And then something probiotic. I need to put this in cooler right away. Then I have here 3 pieces of envy apples. Envy apples are good, very crunchy. Oops, and then I have here 3 papayas. So those are for breakfast. I have here 1 red bell pepper. And this one, guys, I will show you something. I bought squash, or yung ating tinatawag sa Philippines na upo. Ayan, meron din dito, guys. So, I bought this because I wanna use our lasuna. Yes, I put lasuna if I cook this one. That's why I look for this one first thing when we get into the store. Okay, so that's it for now. Like what I said, it's just light marketing. And I see you later, guys, again. Abang-abang po. Abang-abang, guys, kung ano ang lulutuin ko for dinner. Cooking time, guys, but I need some green onion leaves, so I need to pick. Ayan. Kailangan ko ding bilisan kasi umaambon na. It's drizzling. I like the skinny onions. Ito siya guys. So let's go. First guys, I will boil the ground pork until tender. So I will add water. This is around 1.5 cup or 2 cups of water. And then I put the ginger. The purpose of putting the ginger para maalis yung lansa ng karne. And then I will add a little bit of garlic salt for flavor. Konti lang. Ayan siya, very simple. So maybe 10 to 15 minutes and then I will proceed to the next step. And while boiling the ground pork, I will prepare the other ingredients. I will just cut the green onion like this. Next, I have here 3 big eggplant or talong. Sa aming mga Ilocano, ang tawag namin dito, tarong. I will just poke using fork like this. Poke around. Ayan. Then, I have here a mixing bowl. Because I will crack the egg. Ayan. One more. Put a little bit of garlic salt. A drop of liquid seasoning. This is optional if you are not using like this. Then I will beat. Maybe some of you get a hint already. And going back to the ground pork, eto na siya. It's boiling. So, I will just wait few more minutes. I like the ground pork to be tender. Paghiwa-hiwalayin ko lang sila. Okay, so see you later again, guys. And I'm back, guys. After a few minutes, the ground pork already tender and starting to get dry. So I will just wait until all the water disappears and then oil will start to come out. So for now, I will set aside this one and remove already the ginger. There. Ayokong ilagay yung mantika or oil, kaya ganyan, careful lang. Next, I will grill this one. But since I don't have charcoal, then I will just do this in the stove. So, let's go guys. So, eto na yung aking eggplant guys. I-grill ko siya dito sa stove kasi wala kaming charcoal. Para-paraan na lang, diba? Ooh, nice. Ayan, umuusok-usok na siya. Nice. Basta ang importante, tonight, I will eat Tortang talong. Yes. Tortang talong with a twist because I will be adding ground pork. Ang bango niya. Wow. Ayan na siya guys. Luto na yung aking mga eggplants. So I will just cool it down for a few minutes and then remove the skin. So next is peel the eggplant. So alisin lang natin yung burnt skin. Ayan. So tapos na guys. Then I will add some of the green onion leaves. And a little bit of ground pepper. Beat natin. And now, ready. Ayan siya. So, lalagay ko lang yung isang piece ng eggplant. Oops, naalis. Yan, flatten ng konti yung eggplant. And then, let's go and fry. And then, let's add on top the ground pork. Lagyan ng konting egg para ma-coat yung ground pork. Ayan. First time kong gawin to guys, kaya sana okay. Wish me luck. Nag-e-experiment na ako. And then let's try to flip. Wish me luck. Ay! Not bad. So, just wait until the other side will become like this, brownish. Okay, so I will transfer this in a plate. At eto na siya guys. Eto yung pinapakita ko, yan yung side na merong yung ground pork. So, okay siya, diba? It turned out good. Lagay natin dyan. Oops! Coming. Eto na naman guys. Isa. This is the second one. Oops! Wow. And this is the third one. Oops! Okay, so kainan na. And I plan to make shoyu and calamansi for dipping with this. Oh, with newly cooked rice. Saan ka pa? Looks good. Shoyu and calamansi, sausawan. Let's eat. sauce. Good? Okay. Yeah. Let's eat. Thanks for watching.